Good morning, Principal Ma'am, and good morning, dear staff. So, good morning. Good morning, dear staff. We hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at your homes and excited for today's event, day two of Festival of Entertainment. And as last day, we did a journey towards enlightenment through first step, that is peace. Now we are moving towards the next step, and the next step is truth. So according to our sir, religious books, like भगवत गीता में भी लिखा हुआ है, the absolute truth cannot be understood merely by our own contemplation. Likewise, learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. It's all written in our Bhagavad Gita. And same in Quran, God has clearly said the people who speak the truth, he will definitely reward them. So it is plays an important place in everywhere in our religious books, in our lives, and plays an important part in it. Likewise, in Bible, you shall know the truth, and truth shall make you free. Said, you shall know the truth, and truth shall make you free. You will be free by stress, by any sins, if you are accept the truth and follow the path of truth. The importance of truth is plays a definite part in our lives. Continue. So with that theme, let's move towards second step towards enlightenment, the truth.
Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to you all. I would like you to turn on your cameras and show us your printed, colorful clothes. Please, everyone, I request you to turn on your cameras. Lovely. You all look ravishing. Awesome. So, today, our department is bringing you some entertainment, some contemplation, and introspection. It's said, true strength comes from living your truth. To be your true and authentic self is the path to happiness, peace, and joy. Today, we want you to let go of all the apprehensions and take a step forward to cherish the truth within you. Over to Sanjeev, sir.
A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the second day of Festival of Learning, the Festival of Entertainment. So, as Kaveri ma'am and Sachin sir tell me about the truth, so I'm not talking so much about truth. So, I just say that the truth which gives you some happiness, and sometimes it gives you sadness also. So we can say that the truth is sweet and sometimes the truth is bitter. So there is a different type of truth, that one is universal truth. We can't deny it. There is some historical truth. There is some personal experience truth that only one particular person know about it. And there is some truth which is depend upon the person faith and beliefs. So I remember one share of a Mirza Ghalib. So I want to share that. So Irshad. So Mirza Ghalib said that हमको मालूम है जन्नत की हकीकत लेकिन हमको मालूम है जन्नत की हकीकत लेकिन दिल को खुश रखने के लिए गालिब ये ख्याल अच्छा है. Thank you. So when we think about truth, so a question comes in my mind that a truth can be funny. So this question I didn't find any answer. So I would like to everyone so think about it, and whoever want to share something, some example, maybe some answer. So it's wonderful.
Sanjeev sir.
Yes.
Good morning, everybody. And
Good morning.
Sir, this reminds me of one truth that happened today only that I
Okay.
would like to share with everyone.
Okay, that's
So-
wonderful.
I was cooking dal, and on one side I had kept glass of water to be kept in dal, and on the other side my husband had kept glass of coconut water. So they both were same. And instead of water, I pour coconut water in that, and I didn't know. I was completely clueless. It's then dal cooked, whistle bhi aa gaye. The moment I checked for salt, then I realized it was sweet. And then I have to cook again. So this was the truth that happened with me today.
It's happened, ma'am, sometimes. So sometimes we add salt in tea. That's okay. So thank you, ma'am. So any other teacher want to share his or her experience? And please on your video so that I'm able to see everyone's faces. So anyone? No one? Okay, so I share a little experience. So it's my personal experience. So once I go in a court, so it's for a challan, not my challan, but my friend's challan. So in court, वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि a person call out the names, and he suddenly call out name. The name is Top Singh. And when the person came, I see him. मैं कहा यार बहुत ही अजीब, बहुत डैशिंग वाला नाम है. तो I just see the person and he's just 4.25 feet and दुगला सा पतला सा, and नाम जो है तोप सिंह. So it's so the truth is the name is very powerful, but it may not suit to the person. So it happens. So this is just example. Okay, so now we have.
Can I quickly share something?
Yes, ma'am. Please, sure, ma'am, please.
It just came to my mind this moment as I was thinking and listening. You know, once in front of a spiritual master, very serious talk was going on. So there were two brothers sitting. So the elder brother was about 14 and the younger brother was about 8. So the spiritual master turned to the elder boy and said, "What do you want? Tell me, what do you want?" So he looked very serious. He said, "I want Gyan." So everyone said, "Oh, wow." You know, everyone was very impressed. Then he turned to the younger brother, said, "What do you want?" He said, "I want Laddu." So everyone started laughing. And the master said, "No, this is the truth. Our truth is, if the child has tasted Laddu and he likes the Laddu, he's asking for what is truthful for him. He's not asking to impress somebody, I want Gyan, I want this, I want that." He just said simply, "Mujhe Laddu chahiye." So the master said, this child is speaking the truth. Because he is talking, my truth is my own experience. See, I can listen to 10 people. All of us can listen, "Acha, uske sang aise hua, uske sang aisa hua." That is not my truth. That is that person's truth. It may inspire me. it will uplift me. It'll give me a nice feeling. But my truth, each of us has our own truth, and our truth is our own experience. So I just wanted to share this little thing with you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. So now we talk a lot. So let's do some activity. So today we do dictation. Okay. So today we do a dictation. So it's not in Hindi, not in Punjab, English. So it's in Hindi. It's in Punjabi. So we dictation in Punjabi. All right.
We
Everyone.
need to write in Punjabi.
Yes.
Oh, sir.
Okay, don't worry, I'm just joking. So, yes, we do dictation, but in a different way. Okay, so I speak out some words and you have to draw something. Okay, so for example, I say love. Okay, so you just draw something related to love. Okay, but it should be in instant. Within few seconds, you have to draw. Okay, I'm not going to repeat anything. Okay, so you need a paper or a pen. So you need a paper or pen or maybe pencil. Okay, so if you have pen, so there is one demerit. You can't undo it. Okay, yes. So those have pencil, they can undo it, but you don't have any time. Okay, I don't give you much time for that. Okay, so are you ready? Show me thumbs up, whoever is ready. Big thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Good. So let's start. I just speak out words. Okay. So first word is hope. First word is hope. And you draw it separately. Don't overwrite it. Okay. First word is hope. Second word is faith. Faith. Idea. Idea. Curiosity. Curiosity. Discrimination. 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 Equality. Equality. Honesty. Honesty. Institution. Institution. Next is self-analysis. Self-analysis. Next is truthfulness. Next is truthfulness. Next is reason. Reason. Next is self-knowledge. 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 Next is creativity. Creativity. Next is determination. Next is determination. Next is fairness. Fairness.
What is that? Say that again.
Fairness. Fairness. Yes. Next is reflection. 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 Next is trust. Next is trust. Next is missing. Missing. Next is prayer. Prayer. Next is pain. pain, pain. Next is beauty, beauty or beautiful, beauty or beautiful. Okay. Next is dream, dream, dream. Next is care, care. Next is royalty,
Yes, sir. Last word.
loyalty, loyalty. Next word, justice, justice. Next is tolerance, tolerance. Next is courage, courage. Next is compassion, compassion, compassion. Next is kindness, kindness. And the last one is helpfulness, helpfulness. All of you done? Those who done, just show me thumbs up. Whoever done, show me thumbs up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay. 4, okay. So everyone is done? Okay, so now, earlier I talked about the different types of truth. Okay, so I left with one. So the one truth is that is within you, inside you, introvert. Okay, so this is an exercise that reveals the truth that within you. So these words are something like that कि हर एक के लिए अलग मायने है हर एक वर्ड के. सो आपके अंदर हर एक के लिए एक अलग से एक आइडिया है, एक अलग से एक ट्रुथ है. तो so that truth comes in a sheet. So now everyone, please, will you please share a sheet? Just show me your sheets on screen. Yes. So see the beautiful truth on paper. These are the inner truth of yourself, and you make it. Okay. I hope you like the activity. Okay, so now I introduce next activity and I invite Kaveri ma'am. So with the different way. So I just share another share. So ये भी मिर्जा गालिब का शेर है. So गालिब कहते हैं, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश में दम निकले. हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश में दम निकले. बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले. So over to Kaveri ma'am and thank you.
Arman, dreams. Dreams are also a part of us. As teachers, we have told this to our students several times. Dream big, dream on. Dream whatever you want to, you can achieve it. And as we grow up, we realize that some dreams do come true, some don't. And some are fulfilled, some are unfulfilled. Some are funny, some are scary. And it's also said, dreams are not what you think while you're sleeping. Dreams are something that you think while you're awake, something that drives you. And this activity is a craft activity for you because not everything is supposed to be on the sheets. We want you to carry something special with you. So that's why I asked for some material. bangle, thread, scissor, and of course, if you have one more sheet, that will be great. If you don't have it, we are giving you time, 1 minute, go get your material. Don't forget to bring in a scissor, please. Go get your material. We are waiting for you. So let's begin with the activity. I'll just switch my camera so that you can see what we are going to do. So for this activity, I have this bangle and you have a thread, maybe wool, that's okay. What we are going to do is take the bangle, take the thread, on the top of it, make a knot. See? You can make double knot to fix it. If you will be done, you can give me a thumbs up on the screen. Make double knot, whatever you feel like, however you feel like, just make it sturdy. Done. Very nice, Charu ma'am, very fast. Now, from here, awesome. Now from here, you will take the thread to diagonal side. Diagonal, and look how I am doing it. Diagonal, moving the thread inside and like this, making a knot. Now hold it from here. You can hold it so that it doesn't move around. Hold it from here. Move it to the other side like a straight line. And then weave it. Again, the same step. Look what I did. Tighten it. Once you'll be done, you can give me a thumbs up or you can write in the chat box. All right, awesome. Now the same thing we are going to do at the top again where we made the knot. Take the thread round inside.
Kaveri ma'am, you are making triangle?
Yes, this is a triangle, you are right.
Okay.
We are soon going to change it, don't worry. We are going to weave in it.
Ma'am, Kaveri ma'am, I have this thread, it will work?
Yes ma'am, it will work. आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप मल्टीपल टाइम्स ऐसे कर लीजिए. जैसे हमने 3 ये 1 टाइम रिपीट किया ना, you can repeat the same step thrice. So it will double up the thread width. Same way you can go on, weave it. Different sides, take it, weave it. Enjoy the process. You go from here, move your thread around. And just move it to different parts. I made a triangle. You can just roam around, just enjoy. Fill this with different lines, with different angles. Just fill it.
I hope it's not necessary that it has to be triangle only, ma'am.
No, no, it's not necessary. Not
शेप
necessary.
शेप
Just
चेंज कर
enjoy.
सकते हैं. शेप
बिल्कुल
चेंज.
चेंज कर सकते हैं sir. See,
Something
Okay.
else it's coming to me.
weave in it.
Okay.
Weave in it. Let
Same
go
here.
of everything. Just weave in it. Enjoy the process. That's it.
My
Weave
thread
in
is
it.
very thin.
We have to tighten
Seema
it
ma'am, you
up.
can double up the thread. अपने हाथों में ही जैसे हम जब stitch करते हैं, you can double it up.
Nahin, you just see what I have made.
I'll see it. So you go weave,
Ma'am.
weave. Yes, Ranji ma'am. Awesome. This is the way to go. Lovely. Loved it. Great.
This is what is happening with me also. I also should get lovely.
सर इससे मैम इससे क्रोशिया से भी बहुत सुंदर काम होगा
बिल्कुल
सुई धागे से भी हो
बिल्कुल
जाएगा
बहुत ही अच्छा काम होगा क्रोशिया से. So once you are done, once you feel like this is satisfying, what you will do is आप इसको end में अपनी scissors से cut करेंगे. You will cut it, and the last thing is you will make a knot again.
Okay.
This is how our lives are tangled.
Absolutely.
Thumbs up if you're done. Awesome, Shelly ma'am. Oh, lovely, Atul sir. Nice, very good. It's better than mine, I must say. Great.
It looks lovely.
Very
Yeah. Thank
good.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very nice. Now let's move to the second step. I hope you have your sheet. Oh, lovely, Arkirat ma'am. Great. Look at Sachin sir. Such a star. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Let's now take our white sheet, and I am using a color here. If you don't have a color, you can simply use a pencil. And I want you to make 3 leaf-like drawings. 1, 2, and 3. And on these 3 leaves, I want you to write some words that give you happiness. They can be love, faith, hope, see, leaf-like drawings. And inside, I want you to write 3 words that give you happiness. And at the end of the leaf, you will also make a small stick-like thing. See, extending the leaf like a rectangle. Extending the leaf. See? So the formation should be a rectangle and a leaf. Here comes the scissor. We all love cutting. I love cutting. I think it's such a stress buster. Try it someday. Cut things and make collage out of it. So let's quickly cut out the sheet and these leaves out of this white sheet that I have. This is the second leaf, and this is my third leaf that I am going to cut. Wow. Great. Harkirat ma'am, I like it. And I like your creativity. Love it. So here comes our leaves. Faith, hope, love for me. And there must be some many different words for you. If somebody wants to say the words that they have written, they can unmute.
Can I?
Harkirat ma'am, sure. Please.
My 3 words on this paper is love, food. Food is the other one.
Food. Awesome.
And for that, I am not shedding out my weight. And other is child.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Now, some of you, if you
Yes,
want
I
to do
can.
something extra, you can just make some slits on the side of this and fold it. Make some slits on the end of the sleeve.
Kaveri, can you pin yourself? I want to see it closely. Or I can pin you.
Ma'am, you can pin me.
Okay. So now,
So, we make the slits and on our hand, simply move it like this. Okay. Make some slits. Okay. Ranju ma'am has done. Great.
Ma'am, love, peace, and trust.
Wow. Anuj sir, would you like to share what you have written?
Work, food, and travel.
Wow. Love it. Now that you have cut, what we are going to do is we take the thread and just tie the knot with this. I told you not to leave something extra up. Yes. Now just tie different words. Atul sir have written so many words. Wow, love it, Atul sir.
Only 3 words, ma'am. Only 3 words.
Okay, but the leaves are so pretty. Wow.
Leaves are pretty.
So just see, just tie these 3 leaves with the thread you have. Make a knot and try manifesting it in your life also. Try that these happiness that I'm looking out for, I'm tying it to my life. Imagine, because affirmations help.
Beautiful.
So you tie it, tighten it up, make
Ma'am,
one more knot. Harkirat ma'am, your 3 are together, so you can make one knot also if your 3 are together.
Yeah.
So you see, here I made the first knot.
I have turned the
The
leaves
same.
into flower.
Wow, so you just do one thing, make one knot with a thread and use it. So you tie the second leaf and then the third leaf I am tying. So you go in, make the knot, tighten it up. Yes, Anjana ma'am, let's see. Good. Nicely done. I love the shape of the leaves that you have made. It's beautiful. So here we go. The 3 leaves are done here with me. They are tied. And then we move ahead and tie them to our bangle. Because even though our life is tangled, happiness will be there. Okay? So this is a reminder for you as a dream catcher. So you take the bangle, make one more knot. You don't need Fevicol glue or anything. Just make the knot and it's done. So the first, then the second, you can move in with the second, tie it.
Kaveri ma'am, just me.
Oh, nice one. Nice. Seema ma'am, I like the colors you have used. I like the colors and lovely it's looking. Everyone has their own style. See, Ranju ma'am, Anjana ma'am, awesome. Love it. Very good. You all are so fast. I'm the one who's slow here. Okay. Let's move. And here you go. My second leaf is attached. And now the final last leaf. Here I go. Take the leaf, make the knot. No Fevicol, no glue, nothing you want. Just your hands moving. Feel the movement and enjoy it. Okay. So now that we are completing it, you can also cut in an extra thread and tie it on top of it also.
Kaveri, this looks like a dream catcher.
Yes, ma'am, this is a dream catcher.
Okay.
This is a dream catcher. It's like a therapeutic dream catcher, this activity is.
Absolutely. Yeah, lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Lovely idea.
So here we go. Our dream catcher is ready. Awesome. Now the last thing that we can actually do is take the thread. Okay. This is the way you take your thread. You fold it into half. All right. Like this. Fold it into half. ऐसे किया हमने. You fold it into a half. Make a knot. And wherever you feel like, you can simply put it inside the bangle. जहाँ पे भी आपको space दिखता है, you can put it inside the bangle like this. ठीक है? आपको इसमें knot बांधने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is how it will look. Simply अंदर ऐसे करें and it will be done like this. It's ready. Awesome. Harkirat ma'am, I like it.
Thank you.
Love it. Such creative geniuses we have, I must say. I'm impressed. Every time we are together, everyone's do something. Lovely, Atul sir. So I hope you carry it along with you and may all your dreams come true. This is my activity for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, lovely, Karan sir. I would like to hear what you have written. Awesome. I hope.
Okay, ma'am. First, I wrote music, ma'am. And second, family. वैसे फर्स्ट फैमिली लिखा सी बट मैम ਜਦੋਂ मैं टाई कर लग गया उस टाइम सेकंड ਤੇ फैमिली चल गया
चलो ये it's okay.
Okay.
Sir, you are
and,
singer. Sir, you are singer, and music is your first preference.
Love.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਘਰ ਆਇਆ ਨਾ ਮੈਮ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਇੋਰਟੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ. And third is ma'am traveling. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ. Yes.
बहुत ही सही. That's really nice. Yes.
I just want to say that I have written on the both sides of the leaf. Na? I have used both the sides. I have written 6 values.
That's really nice. Would you like to share it?
Yes. It's like this.
Awesome.
On this side also I have written.
Kaveri ma'am.
I love it. Yes, Anuj sir.
Kaveri ma'am.
Oh my God. Awesome. Anuj sir, lovely. Great. This is epic. Very nice. I love it. So I had a lot of fun, and even I will say a share. I don't know if it's a share or not, but I'll say it. पत्नी ने उन्हें दिया एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क. दिस इज द क्लू फॉर योर नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो. सो पत्नी ने उन्हें दिया एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क. लेके आओ मेरे लिए सूट से मैचिंग मास्क. लेके आओ मेरे लिए सूट से मैचिंग मास्क. So over to Sanjeev sir for your next activity. Enjoy it, have fun, and let go.
Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm little late. तो मैं मास्क लेने गया था पर मिला नहीं.
सर मुझे बता दे, मैं बना देती साड़ी के पल्लू से फाड़ कर.
यस मैम, मैं आपको इमेज भेज दूंगा तो आप प्लीज बना देना, मुझे मिला नहीं.
पक्का सर, पक्का पक्का.
Okay, thank you. So I wear this mask. So this is the need of today. And मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि स्टार्टिंग में जब हम मास्क लगाते थे तो मुझे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, लाइक ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम, समटाइम थोड़ी घबराहट होती थी. आई एम श्योर कि आप लोगों को भी होती होगी, अभी भी होती होगी कईयों को, राइट? जिसको होती है थम्स अप. ओके, यस. सो फिर एक दिन क्या हुआ कि मेरा 1000 रुपए का चालान हुआ, तो अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So it's just a joke. So yes, so marks is very important, not for our safety, but for other safety also. Otherwise, चालान तो होना ही है. Okay, so when we wearing a mask, so I observe that we don't able to see the expression of someone. So when we meet in outside world, so we hardly see the expression of a person. So you may don't know that सामने वाला खुश है या दुखी है, तो वो एक्सप्रेशन दिखता नहीं है. तो कहीं ना कहीं जो एक ट्रुथ है वो ढका हुआ है विद द मास्क. सो हम जैसे आमतौर से कहीं मिलते थे, अगर मिले भी नहीं तो आमने सामने से जाते हुए जस्ट एक स्माइल पास करते थे, तो हाँ वो एक लगता था कि एक अपनापन है. लेकिन अब तो पता ही लगता कि सामने वाला क्या कर रहा है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी ऐसी है कि हमने एक फोल्डेबल मास्क बनाना है. वी मेक अ फोल्डेबल मास्क. Okay, so you need a sheet like this, A4 size sheet, okay, and a pencil, just a A4 size sheet and a pencil. So you do one thing first, just fold it vertically. You just fold it like this, make a half like this. Yes, like this. Okay, so it's like a book. Okay, so now take one leaf, एक leaf लीजिए and make another half. इसका भी half कर दीजिए. Okay, so like this. So now this is one half and this is another. Okay, so it's come like this. Okay, so now you have to make your own face. You have to make your own face, and here you draw a mask, and behind this you have to make your own face. I'm not saying that make it same, okay, but make it nearly about you. Just it look like you. Okay, so I just show you an example. So this is an example. You have seen I try to make myself in a cartoonish way. Okay, so here we fold it, we just revealed it. Okay,
Beautiful, sir. Very nice.
so आपको ऐसे बनाना है. You may write something like I like love. Okay, and I I use my character like this, so I make a French beard. So ऐसे आपको खुद के character देखने हैं सर आएगा मैम. जस्ट जिनके लिए स्पेक्स पहन के उनके लिए बहुत इजी है. जस्ट मेक योर स्पेक्स. ओके, तो आपको जो एक करेक्टर आ जाएगा. जिनका हेयर स्टाइल है, डिफरेंट हेयर स्टाइल है, लाइक अनु सर और सचिन सर को तो बहुत इजी है, आजकल उनका हेयर स्टाइल ही नहीं है. सो इट्स इजी. ओके, स्पेक्स के लिए भी ऐसा ही है. तो आपको स्पेसिफिक अपने फीचर्स जो आपको शो करने हैं, जस्ट लाइक दिस, एंड यू हैव टू मेक इट. यू कैन डेकोरेट योर मास्क ऑल्सो. आप अपना मास्क भी डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. और बिहाइंड इट यू कैन शो द वट एवर इमोशन यू हाइडिंग, whatever you feel that your emotions, your feeling, your truth is hiding, you just write. You can write and you can make it on your face. All of you get it?
Sanjeev sir,
Yes.
I just want to show you something.
Okay.
Can you see it? You can pin me Swati.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. It's beautiful.
This
Yes.
my daughter actually made this. Like when when she calls out mom, so she becomes this happy.
Okay, that's beautiful, ma'am. You can make
I
like
mean,
this.
the same your idea only, so that's why I just shared with you.
Yes, ma'am. You can make it like cartoon also. Okay. And so now please do your work, and by the time you're just doing your work, I will share some funny facts about the mask. Which funny facts about the mask? So एक चीज है मास्क आने से क्या हुआ है कि मेल्स के लिए स्पेशली कि हम लोग अब ज्यादा शेव नहीं करते हैं, तो इट्स सेविंग आवर मनी. सो अगर हम घर पे है तो हम शेव नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि कोई देखने वाला नहीं है. अगर आउटसाइड जाते हैं तो भी हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि मास्क जो है सब कुछ छुपा देता है. तो इट्स अ फनी फैक्ट्स. सो लाइकवाइज फॉर फीमेल्स उनकी भी सेविंग हो रही है. उनकी सेविंग कैसे हो रही है? उन्हें मेकअप नहीं करना पड़ता. अगर मेकअप करेंगे तो दिखेगा नहीं, राइट? एंड लिपस्टिक का यूजेस जो है कम हो गया है.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
यस मैम.
सर एक बार फिर से दिखा देंगे?
ये चलेगा?
यस सर. एनीथिंग, जस्ट ड्रॉ इट.
ये मैंने बनाया है.
तो मैम ये ऐसे जो है हाफ में आपका फेस आएगा और जो आपने फोल्ड किया हुआ है, जो बाहर वाला फोल्ड है आपका, उसमें आपका मास्क आएगा.
संजीव सर मेरा आशीष के नाम से.
यस सर. यस सर. इट्स गुड. मास्क भी बनाइए सर, नहीं तो चलान हो जाएगा.
सर देखना. सर संजीव सर.
यस. यस मैम. मास्क भी फोल्ड करके दिखाइए गवर्नमेंट मैम. ओह सॉरी, मनमीत मैम. यस, ब्यूटीफुल मैम. जस्ट डेकोरेट इट मैम.
Okay.
ओके. सो और कोई फनी फैक्ट्स अगर कोई शेयर करना चाहता है, यू कैन शेयर.
See you.
Yes. Yes, Shelly ma'am. Beautiful ma'am. Good. Right. You can write the words. Whatever
I have written beautiful.
Okay.
No addition.
Yes. Oh, beautiful ma'am. Dawn. It's beautiful ma'am.
Even I have made, sir.
ये बनाया मैंने.
Oh yes. Yes. So ये भी एक फनी फैक्ट है कि हम अगर मास्क के पीछे कुछ मुंह बना रहे हैं, किसी को जीभ चढ़ा रहे हैं, तो वो दिखाई नहीं देता.
Teasing.
Teasing, yes. Yes, Ashish.
सही है.
Yes. Yes, sir. Very nice. Good.
Sanjeev sir, check. My
you.
drawing is really poor.
Yes.
These are I made a cat.
Okay.
नहीं, अपनी ही फोटो बनाई है सबने.
सर ये देखो
गुड मैम, मास्क भी बनाइए, मास्क,
सर
ड्रॉ मास्क आल्सो।
ये रहा
सर मास्क देखो।
Beautiful, good. Press. Oh wow, ma'am. So you do some pattern also. Yes,
Sir,
Anjana,
ma'am.
beautiful. Yes, हरकिरत मैम, तो आपके तो मास्क के बाहर भी स्माइल है, वेरी नाइस।
आपके बाहर भी स्माइल है और अंदर टीथ है।
ब्यूटीफुल,
पूरे 32।
वेरी नाइस मैम, वेरी नाइस।
संजीव सर,
यस करमीत सर, यस, वाओ, मास्क, ओके, गुड सर, नाइस।
Sir Vinima.
Yes, Minima ma'am, show me. Yes, nice. Good. Smile, okay. And then just open it. Open it, ma'am. Minima ma'am, open करके दिखाइए।
लग रहा सो रही हैं, आँख बंद है।
Yes, good.
आंखें तो मैंने बनाई नहीं, सॉरी।
हाँ,
देखा मैम, नींद में गाड़ी चलाते हुए ज्यादा चालान होता है।
आंखें तो बनाई नहीं, भूल ही गई।
संजीव सर,
Yes.
ये देखो,
Yes, Anu sir, show me.
दिखाई दे रहा है।
नहीं sir, black आ रहा है।
Nidhi ma'am has also made, sir.
Okay, Nidhi ma'am, will you show?
मेरा डोरेमोन है, डोरेमोन।
Okay. Yes. Oh.
बड़ी सही ड्राइंग है मैम आपकी।
Very nice, ma'am.
Only circle and lines.
Sir,
Very
can
nice.
you see mine?
Yes, Seema ma'am.
I have written something.
Okay. Will you
Can I
please
read it?
read, ma'am? Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, please.
On the mask, I have written, use me every day. And one more thing I have written, if you can read my message, then you are too close to me.
ओके। ये गुड़गांव में आप गाड़ियों में ज्यादा घूमी है क्या?
Yes, Anu sir. Yes.
Mine, Atul.
Okay. Sir is like a Guru Chela.
बिल्कुल, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है। अतुल
Yes.
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है अतुल।
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
Atul sir.
everyone.
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice, sir. And
Exactly.
Anu sir, I must say, Anu sir, I must say, मुझे ना गुरु चेला की याद आ गई।
संजीव सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Yes. Wow.
Seema
beautiful,
Sharma.
ma'am. Open
मैंने
कीजिए,
अपनी
ma'am. Please
बिंदी,
open it.
अपना नोज पिन सब बना दिए।
Yes, yes, ma'am. That's why I'm
And I
saying.
always put this, I made this also.
Very
संजीव
nice.
सर।
Please open it. Open कीजिए, ma'am.
नीचे तो सर मास्क के मुंह तो बनाया नहीं सर। लिपस्टिक अच्छा मुंह भी बना दीजिए, सर मुंह भी बना दीजिए। सर मेरा
Okay.
मैम
Yes, yes, Simi ma'am. रुचिका मैम, 1 second. थोड़ा सा ऊपर कीजिए, Simi ma'am.
लाइन
थोड़ा सा
लिखी
ऊपर.
है, मास्क लगाओ, कोरोना भगाओ।
Oh, very nice.
संजीव सर प्लीज चेक दिनेश सर।
Okay,
आंखें
दिनेश
sir.
सर कहाँ है?
स्पेशल
ऐसे
आंखें।
लग रहा कोई भूत है, भूत लग रहा है।
Yes, रुचिका मैम. Yes, nice one.
My favorite
Okay.
song
Cartoon character.
by Hoggy, Ping Pong Hoggy. I have drawn
Okay,
it.
ma'am. Oh, very nice, ma'am. Dinesh sir, please show me.
वो तो यार वो गणित का कोई फॉर्मूला लिखा होगा मास्क पे।
Dinesh sir, please show me your work.
मुझे देखो मुझे।
Dinesh sir.
दिनेश सर का दिख नहीं रहा है, वेरी सी। हाँ,
Yes.
पाई आर स्क्वायर।
Mustache is so long.
दिनेश सर आ गए,
Yes.
आगे।
Yes.
My God.
Nice
आपके
sir.
मुंह पे
Open
बड़ा
it.
मास्क है। Oh, no.
I can't see Dinesh sir.
Yeah, we
You have to
can.
pin him, then you can see.
Oh, actually not on my screen.
Vinesh
Okay,
sir, please
so
unmute.
who is with the name Goyal?
रिद्धि गोयल मैम, रिद्धि गोयल।
Okay,
Riddhi.
ma'am, please show, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
beautiful. Just open it. Yes, very nice. Hmm. Beautiful work, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so I hope everyone is done.
Sanjeev sir,
Yes, Swati ma'am. Yes, ma'am, आपकी ना बैकग्राउंड हटाइए पहले.
okay. Doing, sir.
Yes, okay, okay. Yes. Yes, Ramnik ma'am. Very nice. Hmm. Good. मैम वो आपका मास्क ना बाहर ही है. उसकी जो तनी है वो बाहर ही है. So otherwise it's good.
too bad at drawing, sir.
It's okay, ma'am. We just doing the fun. That's it. Yes, Swati ma'am. Are you able to show? Swati ma'am.
Actually, sir, it has become a little slow. I'm trying to switch off my background, but it's not
Okay.
working.
Okay, okay. It's
Let's
okay.
see Parinita ma'am's and Manmeet ma'am's work also.
Yes, yes. Please, whoever left, please show me your work. So what's your work? Whoever left.
You can have a screen picture, ma'am, later,
Yes,
with the
yes.
whole this thing,
Yes.
everyone's mask.
So please, whoever left, please show me your work so that everyone can see your work.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Manmeet ma'am. Yes, beautiful ma'am. Yes, very nice.
Yes, sir. See.
Yes, Parinita ma'am. Yes, very nice. So you made ponytails. Yes, very nice, ma'am. Beautiful one.
Thank.
So whoever left, yes, Swati ma'am,
Yes.
now you able to see your work. Yes, beautiful. Long ponytail. Yes. Oh, beautiful, ma'am. Nice work. Okay,
Thank
so
you, sir.
who is left?
And sir, again, this was my daughter's work.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, so I think everyone is show his or her work, right? Anyone left? Kaveri ma'am, please check. Everyone is done?
Harsha ma'am is left.
Harsha ma'am,
Rest
okay.
everyone has not even turned on their video. We will mark you absent.
Yes, we can see a lot of us who have not switched on our video.
Yes.
मैम रोज बच्चों को यही करते हैं.
We have to mark them absent, the ones
Yes.
who did not see it.
Ritika ma'am, let's see yours also. Harsha ma'am, Seema ma'am, you're left.
Please show us.
Lovely. Our kindergarten queens are not showing their videos today.
Yes, kindergarten queens are silent today. Yes, I can see Harkirat, Ritika, Harsha. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the activity. And now, so I again introduce Kaveri ma'am with a new activity. And this time I introduce her with a poetry. Okay. So this time I use a Punjabi poetry. Okay. So Irshad. So मक्का गए गल नहीं हो मुकनी मक्का गए गल नहीं हो मुकनी पावे सौ सौ जुम्मे पढ़ाइए। गंगा गए कल नहीं हो मुकनी, पावे सौ सौ गोते लाइए। गया गए गल नहीं हो मुकनी, पावे सौ सौ पंड पढ़ाइए। बुल्ले शाह गल ताइयों मुकनी, बुल्ले शाह गल ताइयों मुकनी, जद मैनू दिल विचों कढ़िए। Thank you. And over to Swati, Kaveri ma'am.
Thank you,
Well
Sanjeev
done.
sir.
Very good.
What a wonderful poem. Truly. So, truth. Now, I want you to close your eyes. Genuinely think of yourself. Think of how you are. How have you been? Think of life. Think of your childhood. Think of your adulthood. Think of your dreams, passions, emotions you felt. Think of the experiences you have had. And then think about the personality that those passions and experiences and emotions, the personality is you. And there are words that describe us. Think of the word that describes you. Be unapologetic. Let go of every apprehension that you have. Just think of one word that truly defines you. And we all have that word. We just have to search it. Now, I want you to open your eyes. Take a new sheet. And in bold letters, write that one word. Write that one word that you think defines you. The truth within you. It can be anything.
And
You can
you
color
can
it. You can beautify it. You can make patterns. You can make it as appealing or as simple as you want to. You don't have to show it on the screen right now. Just write it. I will tell you when to show it on the screen. Write it, introspect, think. Even I'll do it. Let's all do it. If we are done, we can give a thumbs up on the screen. Just a thumbs up, don't show the sheet. Bold letters. If you have not written it very in one line, make it bold. Everyone is concentrating on themselves for time being. That's nice. Yes. Now, those who have written, they can show the work. They have shown that they can show that one word. Awesome. Awesome. Lovely. 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 Atul sir, let's see yours also. Awesome. Let's begin, sir. So we have something special for you. And
Unfortunately, there is no electricity. I'm just managing with the my mobile network. मोको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में। मोको कहाँ तू ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में। ना मंदिर में, ना मस्जिद में, ना काबे कैलाश में। ना मंदिर में, ना मस्जिद में, ना काबे कैलाश में। खोजी होए तुरंत मिल जाऊं, खोजी होए तुरंत मिल जाऊं, एक पल की ही तलाश में। मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं तो तेरे पास में, सब श्वासों की श्वास में, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मैं सब श्वासों की श्वास में। सच है अंदर मेरे पास में। So yes, the truth, the real truth realizes it is all within us. Free flowing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Atul sir. Thank you so much. So truly, मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, तुझ में. So the truth truly resides in us, and we must appreciate it, relish it, and most importantly, accept it. I loved the words that you used. You can write in the chat box whatever you felt like. And thank you, all of you, for taking out time and being here with us. I thank Chand ma'am, Principal ma'am. Now over to Sanjeev sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So I conclude this day today here, and I request Ms. Chand Mehru ma'am to say a few words.
Well, actually, after this last bit of music, there's very little to say. I think it was an outstanding program. And, the practicality of it, everyone experienced being lost in themselves. And the mind, it's so soothing to be busy and active with concentration. So one experienced that soothing silence, that activity, and most importantly, the end of it, which says all that we're seeking is actually within us. I think it was an outstanding program, and I congratulate you all. The very best to you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now I request Vandana ma'am to say a few words.
Yes, I agree with you, ma'am. It was outstanding indeed. It was something which is pierced deeper deep within. It was amazing the way you all depicted the truth. Amazing. And I'm so happy to be part of a team which is so profound and yet so funny. The humor that you brought about with a topic which could have been turned so serious is amazing. I have lived so many emotions through this session. I mean, it's amazing that within a span of 1.5 hours, 1 hour 25 minutes, I have laughed, I've cried, I've been a little sad, and I've been joyous most of all. It is a program which is, this is what I guess I would say, expansion and evolving. This is expansion. It was beautiful for me. Amazing work, amazing teamwork, and amazing connections you all have made for all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now over to Sachin sir.
Hello. Yes. So I just pasted one Google Form link in the chat box. Everybody can fill it right now and fill as you like. And please give your authentic feedback. It's in the chat box. If you want, I am sending it again. So this is a truth day. So in the path of enlightenment, the second step, we just step ahead and let's wait for tomorrow and we'll see what is going to happen tomorrow and for the next value and for the next step of enlightenment. Now I request everybody kindly fill the form and submit it.